It's not a secret indicator, it's the same two moving averages everyone has, and I'm going to show you the complete system right now. First, we need to set the stage. Forget every moving average settings you've ever seen. In this system, you only need two, 200 EMA and 50 EMA. Think of them as two forces that control the entire market. The 200 EMA is the long-term tide. If price is above it, the entire market is being lifted. If price is below it, it's like swimming against a heavy current. Everything feels difficult. The 50 EMA is a short-term wave. It reacts fast. It's the first to feel a shift in momentum, almost like it's predicting the next few candles. So, your first job is simple. Just see which side of both lines the price is on. But this isn't the whole strategy. This is just a foundation, and this foundation has a major flaw. This is where 90% of traders get wrecked. Look at this. Price is in an uptrend. It dips below the 50 EMA. It looks like it's breaking down. You might think about going short. And then the market reverses and rips higher, stopping you out. Or look here, price pushes above the 50 in a downtrend. It looks strong, so you buy and it immediately collapses. This is the noise. This is the trap. This moving average alone can always save you here because they're lagging. They tell you what is happening, but not how strong it's happening. So if we can't trust a cross alone, what's the solution? We don't give up. We just need a way to see the force behind the move. We need to check the market's pulse. I use a very specific heavy modified tool for this, and its only job is to show you the strength, the momentum, and the exact moment. For now, it's just called the momentum confirmation. Don't worry about the name yet. Focus on what it does. When price dips in an uptrend, we wait for it to touch the 200 EMA. Then we'll look for our momentum confirmator. If it's weak or flat, the move is fake. Stay out. But if it suddenly spikes with power, this is your signal. This is the moment big players have stepped in. The trap has been set, but this time you're not the prey. Let's see the whole system in action. This is where it all comes together. First, let's look at the perfect short. Price is below the 200 EMA, so the big turn is down. Price pushes up, it tests the 50 EMA. This is where it gets scary. It looks like it might be reversing. But now look at the momentum confirmator. It's not just red, it's growing sharply red, getting deeper right as price touches the 50 EMA. This is our signal. This is the sellers aggressively stepping in. We enter here. stop above the recent swing high, and the market falls exactly as we expected. We didn't guess. The chart showed us the force. Now let's look at a clean line. Price is above 200 EMA, so the tide is lifting the market. It dips down and tags the 50 EMA. Is the trend broken? We don't panic. We look at the momentum confirmator. As price touches 50, look, the indicator doesn't just go green, it expands with force. It gets taller. That's the heartbeat getting stronger. The buyers are defeating the level with conviction. We enter here a stop loss below swing low, and the market takes off. Trend, test, and confirmation. So, what is this momentum confirmator? It's the most common indicator you've ever seen, but we've stripped it down and slowed it right down to only show you what matters. It's the MACD histogram, but not the default settings. You change the fast length to 100. Then change the slow length to 300. And then in the style settings, you turn off everything. The signal line, the MACD line, everything. Just leave the histogram. These settings transform it from a noisy mess into a clean, powerful gauge of your momentum. So now you have the complete system. The 200 EMA shows you the tide, the 50 EMA gives you the test, and the slowdown MACD histogram confirms the force. This works because it's logic through a step filter that removes your emotion and shows you what the market is actually doing. The next time you're looking at chart, look for the sequence, the trend, the test, and the confirmation of force. It will change how you see everything. And that's why this is the only moving average strategy you actually need.